Hello friends, in this video we are discussing about problem on tacheometric constants. Let us move to example number 1. A tachometer has a diaphragm with 3 crosshairs spaced at a distance of 1.2 mm. The focal length of the object glass is 24 cm and the distance of the object glass from the Frinian axis is 10 cm, and we have to calculate the tacheometric constants. As we know, there are two constants, that is f upon I and f plus c or f plus d. That is multiplying constant and additive constant. So what is given over here? We have a distance between crosshairs. As we know, we have 3 crosshairs. So the difference between crosshairs is there. That is 1.2 mm. So if we calculate the total, that is 2 into 1.2. That is nothing but small I. That is 2 into 1.2. 2.4 mm. We require all the distances in meter. So divided by 1000 will give us 0.0024 meter. Then the focal length f is given as 24 centimeter, which is 0.24 meter, and the distance from the object glass from the linear axis D is given as 10 centimeter. That is nothing but 0.1 meter. So to calculate the constant, that is f upon I, we have to use these values. So f upon I will be upon 0.0024. That is nothing but equal to 100. And f plus d, that is additive constant, will be 0.34. So main important part is to find out I, f and d are directly given. And then we have to apply the formula f upon I and f plus d to calculate the constants of tachometer. Thank you.